Hello and welcome to my weekly vlogs here at my new place. I'm Chris, and in this video, I'm taking Indy the pup to the vet so he can get his teeth cleaned. So if you want to see what happens, sit tight and enjoy the vlog.
All right, it is super early in the morning. We have like 6:30 a.m. and I've got to clear my car off. It snowed out. And we got to get Indy out here because it's time for him to go to his vet to get his teeth cleaned. So they will be putting him under. It is really cold out here too. I don't know if I already mentioned it, but the other night I was looking out the window, the driveway, and I saw a nice fox run right from over there all the way up the hill, across the driveway. My driveway's on a hill, so I'm trying not to slip. I'm at the vet with Indy. It's 10 after 7 in the morning. It's actually still dark out, and he's supposed to go in there in about 10 minutes. They kind of look like they're closed. Maybe he's an early patient. So I'll give them a call in about 5 minutes or so. And he seems to be excited. I don't know. I sure wouldn't be excited. Poor little boy. He hasn't been able to eat or drink anything since 9 o'clock last night. And I know he was thirsty. He was looking for some water. So they're going to give him fluids and all that good stuff. Okay, Indy is in there, and it's going to be an all-day procedure, so I won't be back here until probably after 5 o'clock, they said. And so now I'm going to go back home and try to go back to sleep for a little bit. I just got home. It hasn't started snowing yet, but we're supposed to get a lot of snow. It's 26 degrees, and I just thought I would update you guys on that. I also have this very vanilla soy milk by Silk. They used to make this in a big carton, and it used to be my favorite. I used to get this all the time. I love vanilla, and the very vanilla was the best. And this is before all the oat milks came out, and all of a sudden they stopped selling them at all the stores near me. I haven't seen this sold anywhere in a very long time, but apparently someone sent this to my mother, and she wasn't going to drink it, so she gave it to me. So I get to try my old favorite vegan milk. There it is, that taste that I've missed for so long. Very vanilla. It's good. Oh, I forgot about Zeke. Here's Zeke. I forgot all about him. Okay. Yep, it started snowing. We're supposed to get a lot too, which is a problem because when I go pick up Indy and then I have to drive back up the hills, it's not going to be fun. Hi, Zeke. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? A mountain lion. What are you doing? Is there an animal in there? I don't know. Ooh, the snow's getting deeper on my feet. And it's still snowing. It's a lot lighter right now though, but I'm out here with Zeke, and I know this is getting a little redundant, but I need to go grab some wood because it's pretty chilly in the house right now, and I don't really want to turn that heat up when I got the fireplace. So I just need to grab a few of these logs and then like one of the really good burning wood logs and carry them back in there. Somebody asked in the questions if I had like a nice floodlight in the backyard. Not attached to my house on this side of the house, but there it is. That's the little, it's got solar power right there. Solar power, and it lights up this area over here, which it's not like an incredible amount of light, but I have a floodlight that I need to hook up to the house. Nice winter's day. Just waiting for Indy to get out of his dental surgery. They're actually extracting one of his teeth. He's under anesthesia,
and I will be going back there in a few hours to pick him up. But right now I got to pick up some wood. Get some of that snow off it. I'll grab a few pieces. Let's grab some cylinder ones. They're a little bit easier to carry too. All right, I'll see you inside. Okay, there's that wood. I'm gonna go downstairs and grab some of the better wood. The better wood. And that's out in the garage. Turn the light on. I know, I still gotta clean up the garage. Unpack a bunch of stuff. But over here is some more wood. Let's find a really good one, maybe. We'll grab two. We'll grab these two. Very exciting stuff, guys. Okay, so I got this in the mail. Let's get it open here. And that's what we got. We have some tools for the fireplace. So let's get it cleaned out. Actually, I'm trying to clean it out right now. And it was real easy to set up. There it is. I just got the shovel to shovel some of these ashes. We're gonna put them right here in that box. Dust to dust. Made myself a tofurkey sandwich on a sesame bagel. Ever done that? Lettuce, tomato, onion, tofurkey, vegan cheese, veganese. All right, so I got the car warming up right now and I'm about to go pick up Indy at the vet. He's done with his teeth cleaning and we're gonna go see how he's doing. And of course, I'm driving in a blizzard. It didn't really snow too bad until I left. All right, I'm at the vet. It's snowing hardcore right now, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make it home. It's 18 degrees and the driving is horrible. They're about to bring Indy out to me, so I'm looking at the door for him. And there he is. No lights in here. But you made it. You okay? Yeah? Okay, we gotta drive home in this blizzard. Whoa, that was treacherous. I barely made it up the hill to get home. It took me about an hour to drive in this. This is, it's a total blizzard out here. Well, at least driving where I was coming from. The road's really, really bad. Cars on the side. You ready to go inside? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Oh, he's like, not really.
He's tired.
He got a pedicure too, didn't he? Well, he's drinking water. Probably really thirsty. He did get a liter of fluids. Do you want to go lay on the floor? Come on. Do you want to go? Do you want to go lay on the floor? You want to come over and lay down? Come on. You want to come in here and lay down? He actually got a couple of his back molars taken out. He's probably a little groggy right now, is what the doctor said. Here's that little boy. Look at his arm. They had to shave his arm. Yeah. Zeke, I'm trying to talk to Indy right now. Zeke wants all the attention. Here. He wants all the attention. He's all better now. He's just not feeling good right now. Yeah. Yeah, he had a long day. Look, he can't even keep his eyes open. But apparently they gave him a nice little pedicure. He's dropping his head. He's falling asleep. Look at him. He can't even stay awake. Yeah, you can go to sleep. Put your head down. There it is. It's snowing pretty good out there. My car's already covered and it's only been like 20 minutes. He is out of it. Look how he's sitting. I think he just wants to go to bed. Why are you sitting like that? All right, so all of his food has to be mushy. So I have V-Dog and sweet potato and some water in there, and it's I'm trying to wait for it to get as mushy as it needs to be. Doesn't look that good, but I'm sure he wants to scarf it down. Yes, he does. For me over here, I'm making some Rhodes and mac and crees, shells and crees.
falling asleep. His head's falling right over.
Cry.
He's falling right over. Oh, there he goes. He's falling asleep. Oh, his eyes are getting tired. He's getting tired. We got a good amount of snow in the last hour. We got some mac and cheese out here keeping me warm, and Indy's over here in the dark going potty. And now it's 10 degrees, and this is the end of my vlog. Bye.